because we nyane kanye anyane kanye. But because we don't have trust for our leaders, no, that's why we are seeing what we are seeing, and it's very unfortunate. It's very unfortunate. Jing. Why me bache?
Obeni me joso.
Minute saying.
Oba dia daroma. Me ho ya no pay. Akade nipa be ya bo nipa mpacho na onso
odom no so me so no pay. Emu ye.
Ya da hwedi amponya kopo. Ase papa.
A quick one on this incident, Makola one Nansana yaba other ones in him.
Obeni ma mena sia no pay na fi so. Ye na ya tifo ne ahwefo nso ase se omaje atumu na no pay omoni ebedi djuma. Ya do masi ye ni so nti se upie fifie no office on to mintie ye na onko Facebook Sompa 93.1 live obehu ye wo honom ana nso se YouTuber obo Sompa TV obehu ye se ye wo honom na fe ya di djuma. Kwame on market women ne anamo mu tu ne djuma wo mu edi no. We are a clear example Edemayen say Omaino is becoming lawless because the leaders are not enforcing the laws from the onset. If it is a no penifono plan a hoodwe was said Danny Quemuni has a marano so no ye bid so na plan on so yet me executing a year no yet because baby omakwa na ya ayo mu day nothing so womu a build the customers na customers any baby omote na hono mo ba beto no they perceive in their head say so mu free hono mu ko baby fofra customer no unhu no the demand no for the product a hodo a woto no entumi nkosro eno nti onko they toss me no openi baby ombet na ye ho abeda na market yi o man fiti dako no ma atu aba begu ho ne ho no ma ye market o ayen kakran we betna ho na we aba be ka ho we aba be ka yes
no mu dia bedru
and no mu dia bedru ba bia mo dru ne ho no ma dane market kese yes nti a hyase no ba ko ba mienu ba no empenifo anhu se ho nya marketplace anambo empenifo anhu se we have a plan for this particular place here mankofo betna ho na eburu so na ye omo da ahwe ye omu tu be ye den nti sa atam na adwene na mampenifo ne akandifo ne tirim se ya o matena ho ama hwaye mode ne ho abwa peso ne hwaye mma no afi na mpenifo nso ahunu se wo se yesi market ana ye biribi wo ho now ahifa na wutu omo na ode omo akọ the etosumienu nso kwa me we know very well say in this our country yenye biribi ma transparency ni honesty ndi animu kinda at the end of the day na yesi market ye besi awie no wo mo ayenim so wo mote ho no wo mo nya ho nte na obi a ome ho kra metna ho ni dwa wo ho dakra no ya be ma no store e wo ho nom no abetinam na ono wababa gi stores be ye miensa enan enum agibia maninuanom binum omuni ho. So it is perceived, it is believed say sa na wo mu trimu se sa ene besi sa nso ene bekoso eno ntie ne ye ntwe o ye ntwe ye mpene o ye mpene de omo ye no etia mrade but then you want to mean sorry prekope enkasa de omo ye no sebe entasumu na nyansa bia nso nim utumi sorry prekope enkasa utumi sorry prekope enkasa enti yafoaso ene yama na yesa ena yafoaso ena yama omwate ase se Ghana de se ne yetu ne yakase ye ade amawa ochena ade no onya biem ema ye wode abiem ebe ni pafoforo de because Ghana na kwakoye whom you know and who knows you ena Ghana na kwakoye say asisie de obema me kakra de ode kakra be share envelope mo ono ena wose me ma no betena ba bi otena no na ontu ye ma me no mo so alise nka energy na moanya se ya mode ye yi no kamo mfa me ku na mo nka mo humbom na mo kamo akome yo ho mo akọ eme ho mo akọ de the responsible assembly na womo na ebetu saa na moyi say ye jetum musimu ba be stores ye ne yete hanom a ye di dwuma se musi stores ni wi a we expect say ye ne yete he di dwuma na mo di stores no be ma yen enyo bi foforo. At least you make a very strong case, a laudable point before mpenifo. But somehow it is also believed that woman say woman need GDA crowd system no mo.
Kwame.
Woman need GDA system no mo. Nti de on betumi aya ne de omo yesisi ya no. But de mu ye nsu ko pra obeka den. De wu ye nsu say aban na ka say enne o enfonso mra no nso no so obeka den. A chopa na obesan de akọ. So ye besere as much as say ya maame nom de omo ye no nso nye no ye nso ye hunu se mpanifo no mo na mamo mo anya ho agidie wo mu se mo mfa mra no nye hwi na mo munni mo boshe so the second third day mo ni mo boshe so eti Kwame we dey sere dey besere na market women
it's not right.
It's
not right.
Because maybe they been cast the omo ye ne boni.
Yeah, I say ke benya me for me omo piaro no.
Okay.
Na because tete I say tete ne say baby omo ye demolition. Areas ni bi cry waterways.
Okay.
Enti omo mo tena ho a ana ye say baby on so my dwen say omo redesigning the area to fit for purpose. Enti ye hwe babre go so ehwe say ye benya no na ya busa no questions ba akumienu miensami. But aside that no akamia ye say na be ka say there should be a holistic approach to your system na ye de eye adwuma no to the system na ye de ye adwuma no. Because when it comes to health, Onim said there have been another video. What takwa patient be a recorded say time I think it was in the evening. Omu call hospital no. Omu nya obia mehwe patients omu da ho. Ne nipa ba ko pe ana wo ho. And looking at the number of patients they go on, it be difficult for them say nipa ba ko pen bet mashe the number of patients they go. Tinara me kase. Sa dia na bana. Ya dia ma Professor Akosa mo committee so mu ko hwehwem no. Menka abusia fo ya ye hwere papa ya. There should be a holistic approach. This investigation and conclusion in isolation, because sa papa ni de nya voice de nya trend and a bar into limelight, but there are other facilities and conform suffer similar incidents 84 hours. Because what I know is that every hospital, every clinic, emergency unit need a 24/7 nurses or doctors or I so much a sister room and so they will call the person from the sister's room nurse ni na wababehwe. And I know we have cubicle nurses almost what they have been stationed aside in charge, almost what various cubicle no. And I don't know what exactly happened, but if you carefully follow a yes for yinia and the commentary behind it now, what the gentleman is reporting is they have been there for hours and there's no single person, not even vitals yabetiki. So at that time, looking at the video is in the evening. So the best place that ubet mako baby omako. And you see there's several patients there need the baby cry. Ya attend to omobi on ma or say man relax kakra obu but the particular one are hours. And the person here reports meaning say senkana obua anananka obi wo nurses ni bi aside this particular one and no wa Akebe in the video. But clearly, it shows say the commentary that is saying that there is only one person. Where are the other people? Because it baffles my mind. If you know the system now, the hospitals are being run on shift system. And at any point in time, there is a nurse, there is a doctor on duty. And Dana, this particular place, emergency is a ward, no, and that is happening. I don't get it. So the amamaye interested our video with me, not a report na nipa kroni de man, but the me person make can say, assuming this one cry no cry, there are isolated incidents are ekoswa. As so mine, I was a year approaching holistically. Yeah, sure, because one too many. And it looks like say about near can once a man then a quote. And that is troubling. That is troubling. The second is a region beyond the above. And these are not cheap compounds, these are not health facilities. You can't say these are not clinics, some are hospitals. And yehu na sanyoma we say koswa very worrying Kwame. Yet disturbing. So if video na anytime also if you are in for krana. That's my challenge. Also if you are sad time no ebia baby kra yi kakra je wotwa hanma either municipal or regional or something. A big place. Two free a why na a high system no edisi adidi agro ya kwan wo ho a na so de ekoso a na ekoso orabo Kwame Nkwantabisa should set up well sa services na e was ye hwediye Ghana Health Service for so set up. They should set up because enyama urban of late eduomudin eba the bad books which is not supposed to be so. Because you have diligent nurses and doctors who are working, but few ones there one, and sometimes so to beer. Yes, so you call hospital and you better doctors for nurses how they should operate. You will be an answer story that bench sometimes you call you want to take cameras and video. You will be so in handle. Sometimes you become it's not any issue be and pen condition you are not a medical person. And just nipa no who the situation or the case of the person. No, so this is ebia would your friend emergency no any emergency hospital. And if say bia know what's the count or more prepared to do so, sometimes you need to relax. But because of previous precedent, I must say so be careful when you go to hospital. The SC pain no. And be very careful when you go to hospital. And they are very worrying. Yeah, every month, every week, every day, you get stories upon stories. And we have to approach this with a holistic manner and a way at the end of the day, you be an antidote to this upcoming developing events and saying you because and yet cry is not the best. Kwame
Obeni and 7 bi ho areho na continuously the idea ni hu the yete egu yasum e de fa your health your sector no enkomo ebobo free ho ba adechi bia ni de esi no. It is very, very worrying and it tells a lot. And it's incumbent on the government say you better a holistic approach to know the problems of your health sector nankasa. To me, that's my suggestion this morning. Say your health sector no and before and set a kind of committee and NASA investigative body be to do a broader research on your health system no ya how ne die ne here a die ne pe a die na at least clinics, chips compounds, nena sefu ekeka ho crowd na womunya up to the standard. I'll make to me render services. I'm a nipa ne aka say okay, the situation e dey aba no ya hwe no fully. But then so your chip compound kra na the obey to me as a chip compound no. You're providing no, the obey to me as clinic. You're providing no, the obey to me as hospital. You're providing nanka ye pe bia be se busumi nsio se nso afio. Ye mfa nto ho ne anya say your budget no, your national budget no. At least you the 30%, 40% of it. You the health sector. Nothing how be a war no. Ya you the free ho. I think say Ade Akye Abia yet nasini ehunu say these are the approaches are you dey handle the problems of the nation. Kwame me jimidi ye pa say anka beboa anka bekoyi na anka ebema hawa hodo aye ho no eso beti. Because your hospitals are a bit me dependent on Konfanoche, Kolebu, rate. Kwame, if you go there, the standard in which I wasn't going to me pretty near Sampa, they are living up to expectation. Those there might be some lacks, ne lapses but Kwame, if you go there, what is expected of them as hospitals also unya. The same way when you go to your regional hospitals, if you go to district hospitals, if you go to CHIPS compounds, there wasn't at least the purpose until they establish sa clinic no, sa CHIPS compound no, sa hospitals no, need the keka ho na wasn't yensa eka no. Kwame obeko ho unsanka. It looks as if our interest as politicians is to establish, is to give it a name. Say ye de aba, but as to the functions, no there was a ye. Ni ehunu say ampa edi dwuma de aboti memofo. Eso banfa so de amati memofo. Nothing so eboa na o minor enkanko ni development, ni the health system no, ni apomudini ati memofo waso omunya na ejina ne nan so no. Ye ehunu say because Yasha said you have free no birth syndrome. And the kika ho saa nene yaba bedru ba bia yadru ya wenso ene aba bebomu no. So it tells you say the health system is very weak, is very poor, is very egregious, it is nothing to accept and it is nothing to boast of. As a Ghanaian, it means a system no enye a bad. So I think say health minister it is time. Modi a monte committee bi, monte body bi, nanka thoroughly. Wamo enve the problems health sector no. Nanka kra yenso ano. Kwame miwe ni sanso ana me say kase. Doctors for na toda wamo so eda clinics ne hospitals ne nasefo anoi. Kwame wamo so wamo wa so die dio. Because there are internal generated and near marketing kitty among some more. Moon to me found so near my bakum you be anuana. Moon to me found to turn near my Bimbasha hospital no more. And as a hospital system, no, and mamma won't quite say the umbe generating no, move to me, they are building sa clinics, no, sa hospitals, no, ni biaya mo finding themselves na. And mamma won't quite and I say in the city. And I know hospitals they are doing so well, say they are connecting themselves to this philanthropic bodies, penifua institutions are to let them know, say they are building a system to make sure the health sector at that particular place, and which say womokoputu before these people are you cannot always rely on the government to provide you all of these things. More school kakra, more connections kakra. All right. More connect mo ensra de empa de kakra nso mre.
Kwame mameni komomra na yan revisit Makula 31st December market honum. Checheku awa homa no so upon checheku century senior journalist awo and kind ono anso na yen parliamentary correspondent. About Marche. JJ. About good morning. Now, bump this out. About the atom now, swear. Why there is a video, a free Mohoba, Meche, Greater Accra. That in the sad video, whom I'm a 4 bucket women or Mabuboko Jine, now Omu try some bebubu, a year and chancing a tie, Ade J, a project on a project and all that. What exactly that same way, where exactly in the sea and I say Anka Sansona as 70?
Nkwantabisa made that say. Asam no se no di kan si da no enka ha ya na asam no isi na enra na eye sa nsam ene sanya wehwe ko ni otwagu ya edwadifo ni bi e kire se ne am ene omo ye no omani enje ho ba Nkwantabisa ye hwa ade bi o se se nkan bia ye bi ebi ho no ma edwadifo no o ma pa ho no ma pa ni titiri se eba bia ye poti ya ye kakada fo ya eben krum kakra and aside that no edwadifo no abeni adu bombia no ade echen kwa no mo komo ni pa de ni ko medical ni na enchoye na omo de babatu beche ni se bia ye ho no mo ehun be yan se we sa banhwe na osietie bia ho no mo bie e de ma eye edwadifo na enumu na edwadifo no entiye eni omo amu on investigation na hwehwe mo ma ye no ede ababetu beche ni se omo enfi ase ambu to ntemu a anhwa ebe ha gene itan se omo to se AME anase aban esidan ni bia eye egbedi bia ewia wo mo ano mu didwa wo ho no enye wo mo ane ye de ba be mo mo ebio ebo no ko a eda so no ebo no epem ekomi internet sa na tie dia wo mo kire se ye bi kan bia wo no mo ache wo de nkanchi etwa ho hia no enye ne intimo mo be hwehwe se ene sa na tie de no be bubu nchanse no matena wo no ma ko ma dia ene ni ebesi bia nti Nkwantabisa so bisa ya ne ekoso no ena ebio bia wo no ne nso eye bia ye bia mpem bebre na nso ta nso fa jedifo ho ha ajedifo ade ton mo ma o majedidie no entimi mpem nko ne ni se ne sa ne se dia mo mbehwe na pe o mo stini dan yie papa e dia mo se na be o nyina asunwie ebetimi akọ e dia mo ene se enwa no o mo hwehwe mu hu se sa ne se dia ne on beti tesukoko de akire eye AME eni aban ho na omo ama eye wiase ni adwen sisu se AME ni omo ye no omani yin mo pe na mo kire se edan ni bo edin se impo omo siwia Nkwantabisa enye won wase bi omo na sidan bebre se bewie so mo de mededifo na yakota bi sikatuduo over 500,000 se eda rent ko na kokotua se do omo mtunton to ni makoni nyaado yi ukasinya no bo ti eno so na efe bi no omo chese ade eno so bo no e wo soro eno ntina Nkwantabisa ibu samfo ni bi sam
enti na chese eba ni kiremu a yanhwe ya yesi owi a no mo ansa ama ho
sa pepepe na ye
na ade ankasa no mo ye ho de no mo ton ho sa ama no
Nkwantabisa won se na 31st biaye won market na ejadifo no ebunkam dia fa ho no omo tonton nuane ebi mo kra de na kwakwa se bia warehouse se bia open na bia putu a ne wakọ ho ne wakọ kotu edefi oba ni nyina no eye biaye bia se bia open ne man so a efo a ho no so kwa uti nya ne man fofo because the honey cancer no enye kwan bia ne cancer no eben nti se ojadi bibia sininkura se na oba be hye ho no ma na se waton ana wadiniga edefi wo no mo de akọ
I see na the omu ye assembly na hu oma respond ana they are yet to respond to a yes incident
eno asem ba fa no AME bo etimi bo modern twi omaso eben ho no kakra but na ye chense era kako alotu betimi ahwe na woni central for akata de afa wan ye hwe ni mu kwanti de nyame ya de ne but ni nyina mu no central for abo apiti abo api eye am ena omode tu ga chemu se bia wo no mo no nkata no bia ye bia Ukraine ewo mani kito ombetimi ahwe na omatimi siesie bia wo no edam mo ewo no kro na no nso no ene makola no eden nti se omatimi siesie kro ni sei no omatimi amboa ejadifo a che ba be rent to bremu iso to se ti ane ko yiri fa amanfo ene yenkai ta insu beto nkan bia no ekọ man hom ni ko ho no ma eso ni nyina ba be fa wo dona eno na ye nam so a eme nsu hiri bebre na no nsu to nkan ya bucket ba kokora na ehira fa amanfo no ntimi ye show se ni nyina so ka eye aban so se wa ye be kai enche na aban ebe sa eho no project ni nyina dia ma eye garage nti garage for ana ehwe a make sure say yen suo dodo a ye mpembebre na eto nkan ya ehiri fa amanfo on behwe na omasie gata ni mu nti no eyade omguso because obepie baby to say enkranya kofa Kwame Nkuma interchange wo ma kofa wani kire Nima runabout wo no ni nyina no gata kesi a Paloma yes that exactly Paloma ho no omo de wo ni nyina magari I say no contractor for good one mo bie gata ni mo a sabi so to a eyiri fa manfo bio nti no ta pepe na mesibu se abana fadie na misu na so anka brina omo sheda indicate exact day and amount bi omo beti DST ejadi bia ya wi na ke su so omo ejadi fo no kwan na nka omo ntimi ento ma de omo kire se bia wo no omo de nkenchen so aba betwa hu na hia nti ekona kokko basa ha wo mu so a omo didwa no basa no so a no mo keka omo hu de akọ loro kwan mu tan so die change bia ebetime di omo dem afi etwam arawu sem bi fasiye main kokko body ni mo no ma ka etwipa so ma be kum nkwala na mo pavement ni so enu nti no ni nyina ne ya de bia wo so mo hwe no mo ye beka ya nse bia na odo na so ejadifo wo ni so no etintesu kokko de kira ban ni nyina no efa the same project here ni from the intention de kira wo ni nyina hia ejadifo ga wo ni say intention na mo de atwa wo hia ne ha adwenu ni mo se obi wi ade a oto no ho twi intention no mu a minia obe ya wo san Canada no wadwane eno so ni ade e beboa ama sebe ejadifo no so timi anwatom because the brenat na no ma ade sen ta makola mpotem wo ni nyina no biaye bia se aban timi anhwe ampoja no ho ne so amboa amno adankora bi se ama mesuo no ma ahwe da kira ko mebe adwene ta pepepe na kanta ejei eto ho no last year wo no mi sei eno matimi abomodin amount some structure bi eto no ma o ma located the so ko no ma o no ma ba be pepepe nti enu so ni o how bi a koso egedifo no o mo tre ntesukoko de akira ban
Ejako baya da ase da de ache mai de besi bia mai asonte
me da sen kwanta bi
opon checheku ayofro no aropai otedenka auto crane free Greater Accra da on a parliamentary correspondence and so kan de oduru wa kro ni de ni two ni twa so de ba bia rerem na o man feed ni sa ho na enano na me din komo bi che o se sa public display ta akoso no aya na etan emra yehu se ohene ba ko a abusuan panyin bi wu ya ayi ase okofa atu a otutuo no ode bo ono ane ho a otwa to ya oye na media na me ka say we've been seeing sa public display no bebre obere na ayi ase yes taxi driver bi aye pragya driver bi aye na di motor display ni panim manual si kura manual si enanom ya adwoada asese na meka asem adwoada o se benada na meka asem wi enra menko kwhwehwa pragya ni motor ni bi ana yi asesa wo display wo do be kire ye pe kofo mo ma pagya motor aye ayi no I a movie ni ade no wo dia wo da ma yase na wo display Ghana moto competition yenko bi ya pe nkofo ma pepe o mu no wo te yase ana wo display enya nyankropon ne fa fia kan nipa oye yenko betim de nu bi mu na pragia bia paki wo mfimfiri ho ane se moto no ekwa crash ni sa asema mekane nanum ya say we have to be very careful etututu a in the name of festival in the name of funeral na traditional leaders ko na nkofo bia timitam toto na ye di hu meni komado di komo na mibusa say procedure bed or no chemu kra say asa betutu no even police service also mu nkofo krom betutu abo beto arabesaka ka ho say car ye yase public display no be so tam order about drifting or better tam car enchem nan me ye bi onkran wanko e yase na akwa kiro me masem awo se kasetia e yase na bi brother say ameka asem yi e na ya wo public display me se machine ade entampa enhwehwanim so the budget fans also budget fans amapa so sadie na ye tubantantan bi me video no me say baba akubu a kire o ka say wa mo manyan ko di se hunu sa what is happening sadie na o se man ye dako ye chi obi na deterrent to others no dia nu ni pam na bia prepra insurance grant me cover na asem na kowu na aye ni fi asem ni akopa chew na nkofo ma ye disable physically challenged na nkofo gugu hospital o mo be krom timi ntua all because of kwasia bi nkwasi asem awadie. It is not good. I was a Ghana police service one madrin ba opa say yasi display moto ni achia ni pejana praga fon kwade se omu obufu che obia praga na won dey say muduro yesey praga rabia mkura betima peja nene wo kwa ko peja nchem na wo yesey very bad. Ghana police service yesramo saadie we ya do so system na hadwin. We have to use someone as a scapegoat more bia na serve as deterrent konse hunu edoso se hunu no doso se wa na abe no wu akokora nkenye ya obi otini ba bia on kan twi bi nhyem na sunsunan hwe video yi sunsunan. It is very bad. One of the things that Opema can want some so na abeya force be but now me a hon yet say yakwache MPP guy baako MPP abranche bisa amzi yakwache no all the name say wakoye banu say wako postio say Dumso is back why Hirebe say according to MPP4 if that is what the guy actually said and did that no mu betam na no man na de ya so chairman Kwame bafo abroje o masa aba tam. So I was asking myself say I don't pa me catch you say me I'm not against it so be bedin se huna no be be cancer mama na traso a ye be che no but the law should work. I said the Rambo star is getting too much. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. I said, payback time say, mafia time be. And a yoko for the Ghana Police Service for no any go for people so I don't know. Hey, they said you better mo. Make us a cry maybe na better me cry minim. They said yeah, I wo. Two ba oba kra wo tu pnuma na hudu kieja baby o because we don't know invitation uduru ani akan ahwem na no ya so koduro mo so mama 2 weeks remand abba adabraka edeng na ekosui. What is going on? I am not for people foolishly or carelessly making pronouncement and statement. Also, national security a lot. I'm not against Uncle for the say a better movement, but acquiring the way and manner and the process that we are doing this thing as a deliberate. As a deliberate. As a young can't go for one shadow be a Jimmy Kasabi. That's how I see it. The only person said to Msa Babaka and so what and anything. Upon quiet billboard crazy and anything. A ding said Dum Saba. Ah, then Tiabetamnoco and what is going on? What is going on? Oh, be a quadia investigation, kwana 2 weeks remand, a dear kwa. Send upon Mugi say, we're making certain statement, Mboa. Now I say, ye dear semno near Dini Tuma. It should be the law. And Brano Yane Quines and Yafani Tuma official, but say intimidation, ye Bruna Nipa. Send ye, it looks like, I'm saying, I'm choosing my words careful, it looks like. So we want to intimidate certain people. Category of people, you have to intimidate them. Hey, everything there to me because actually other people you encounter because so many abemana. Statement that people are chastising, insulting, and all that. But anyway, so we are can be tea and cheap. I dare course on a time. The law should work. We are not against the law working, but if we want it to look, say, deliberately, you per se a mafia phobia. Deliberately, you per se you can't go phobia casabuashe. It's yet you know not intimidation. I know dear sir, dear no emfa. Na, there be army come. Podiano, then chain it to the crank off forever. Now come for. So I am against that because I quite remember that time MPP was no they were doing 1 or 2. I say I catch them say Sadia Muye a time and now so and this is so bad they are repeating the same thing. And a man we are gonna back at Crobian to so because a mood dear chile power without bias. You bet social media for you. I'm telling you. So sometimes we have to be strategic. How to handle some of these things. You have to be strategic. Because they are costing and yet a time. And I must say it. And run and yet mecca. Why me come run.
The Ecosu see what you may had it, Kwame. Any Yamaho Quina AC and institutions in Union so Amo Quine. And the politicians, extra modi each and every day. Maybe omonfa, maybe mutinche, ne dear was say, omoye Ghana for. So it is very worrying. Say they arrest, somehow, some of it useless arrest under this administration. It's becoming unbecoming. They shouldn't forget, say. The voice of the people is the voice of the Lord. They shouldn't forget, say, 4 years, baby, Druno. December 7th, 2028, baby, Druno. Ghana for, any the Omaya Ghana for ate, na Ura Ghana for sum, na Ghana for and Omejina so the Aquacotuaba. You are not dealing with NPP alone. You are not dealing with the officials, the activists, the officers of the New Patriotic Party. You are dealing with Ghanaians. Now, as I say, the air say, what can't be an for an acho. Prime example, I ran to our cultural Dimso is back now. This what has it got to do with a security dear ben national dear ben at the end of the bar. etisa entisa mo mechire yemu se etisa mo mechire yemu asa enti wakwa akotro eri ato baby wa post to the ato baby Dumso is back. What we were going through, no, was it Dumso or not Dumso? A day you need to me experience lights out more than 13, 14, 15 times, you know. Ne Dumso na enye Dumso.
Wow, call it for an arrest. No, une sumni movie.
You know, na the Ghana for can net sa nentisa. Nchokotro said Dumso is back, you know. If you have anything to dispute what he is saying, if you have any contrary thing to back one's whole point, I be mad your cano, a be useless, and not your cano, you be who say Nina Swa. I then I won't farm. Why the arrest? Why the arrest? Mo be say mo kire say mo be kan ya no atum yentumi nkasa ye no kwanse ye kasa obi ye biribi ana bibi koso mambo yimu a the democracy we have preached and the power now is free and channel because ye the ashemunzenti now we do not have the power again to talk, to make statement, to make utterances and to post a near ma ye person you post to ana. Is that what you are telling us? I do not second or succumb to any hate speech or derogatory speech from anyone. But eya broso, President of the Republic, eya broso, eya jinsemu. And if you don't take care, the akoko kukosuyi, be whitewash it near mahudwa wo ya wo free say, o build the Ghana dear Drew baby. A bedroom baby, why we are the no Ghanaians will not find interest in. But a near my bakum unity and a mobile would to us a woody tia Ghana for no and no and no mobile sorry at tia to a body at tia. Me one so a bin so not there are a lot of things are oh yeah a boy didn't fast over break Ghana for. But it be not the little arrest a binomo or feel say or party now ba bemu a bank crown sanction a crown so no more free to me no more pemu. No matter those arrests, no. A brass to some money coho. Some of these arrests are needless. They are not needful. And who's name fast one? So name fast one for more minor. Deal with the matters at hand. Juba who's and confounding some crow more cano. Not the abandon so ye neighbor so we mo the omo haters omo mpa ban ye oh we mo the as politics no mo ye. Let Ghanaians judge for themselves. Don't be quick to arrest these people are more marriage like more public notice crowd do the omo cano eso nim faso entia ban entia timemufo enkawe the okana entisa prove them wrong by your works. Stop the arrest. And fast will be a so because more opposition, no, you said a lot. Unanimous FC, you said a lot. Say binumuye for a certain party, a certain government, and no mutu to an among being as for. If people are saying same, and then more dear etienne, more dear enye. No, you cannot be a choose and pick. MYing. We say we have a country to build. Though. We have a country to build. Politics, money is saying,
Medasi. Benji from Fancy. I'll pay also the messages to the our BB Mamina a Femusa. Just over here Ubeyi Mami. I don't pay, but remember messages, you know. So I don't pay. Tago about mixture and capsules. Bama dear man in Guasian told Bama dear, and it's all nya erectile misfunctioning, and I say obey impotent. She said, your qua won't be, Mama Casa, and it's all can be. Because Mama 70 pay it. If you don't pay, I tago about mixture, and then the capsules that make come from us. Say, oh, your Bama, oh, your bar, when you think, dear Mr. Open, who drew a tago. Herbal mixture and capsules. Some infections are who do not do correct. Na hawa anope uhia. Tagore herbal mixture na bemma de ma mema semu hiao no ye very important 0243228296 0243228296 drugstore pharmacy shop herbal shop bia obenya dupa Tagore ato OCP Ghana Limited omo anade OCP fertilizer abadwaso eti anopay yes okwa market na okwa akopɛ fertilizer wo de bɛkɔ wumfomu a ɛne na ɛyɛ fertilizer bɛn ɛyɛ OCP fertilizer na de womu nie mu a mu dua ɛyɛ atosode enya adoa jene moko ntosu ɛne mu a mu dua eburo ɛmo cereals ne nso mu nya NPK OCP de ni bi 15 saa so na mu a mu dua legumes no mu nya OCP TSP na mu a mu dua cereals no emo eburo ene atosode vegetables nya adoa moko ntos ene de keka ho no also wa nya 15 na nya 10 OCP 10 na eye adwuma kro na ede ema ho enti anopa bo ho modern se obenya OCP fertilizer na also odi adwuma agrochemical shop baby aton fertilizer bia okwa se ho ya papa nko ade obenya OCP ni bi ewo ho anopa 21st clinic sciatica expert na 21st clinic se me kan cho se yade bia omo hwe na mom sciatica ne de omo ye pabene ankasa wom na osisi achi atwenwa akope ona ase a echese yade kese ye ba entibon ho ban adonti na wohia aya 21st clinic na 21st clinic no enso etimi aboawo edi anopai bon homodia gidigidi pa na ebra 21st asoye na ye moawo 21st over 15 branches na call center ni adwuma 24/7 adanju de so nkura afra ebefa nya kire baby ben wo na wako kuma ase ehwan overseas ehwan da braka no overseas o Sompa TV Sompa FM ya osuru no mu form sa enso so ana uduru oboase ya o cancel quarters court junction ahoda abehu yesunyan form masunyan teaching hospital na sunyan regional hospital enkransa yeta hotechima GN Bank omudan dada nim yewom 0249311311 0249311311 0540311311 Aropa 21st clinic yade bia suro hospital sciatica dwane RSYD Innovation Studio bon homodien ya won kran mala mabia se na first kokroko street ho na be na de wom se Ghana fa na nyina ye adwuma ho tu freya baby awo bia se movie na apeso yi ye wo creative directors so mu direct movie o skit ni nyina na kama sa associate your professional camera handlers any photographers so mu ye good your state of the art studio ye de ye nwuma kama e wo ho to de bopin Ghana baby afra ye beba 057471 5778 057471 5778 and 0303974822 RSYD Innovation Studio and opa dia na wo twen o sorry a won sai otititi o na otititi di be yewu eno ntu kope Roman father na dro no Father Martins Heba Mr. Dodo na friend Roman father na dro no aropa divine me chese nyamensa wom is highly formulated eji wo free yade kwan krom o sai otititi stroke na acho wonam tutu waye mre sorry akwa adwuma wo sorry pa we pa de ene pa de adwuma de ye kamenya nanka Monday mother na Monday mother say ya ma Tuesday kura o Monday no sorry kwa adwuma honam na aye o mrintira anope bomodin a ne kope eye Roman father ne drone bi me sita to us Nkwantabisa pa ka me no pay de ka me da kakra wo bu abeba obenu zo ya bebra hopa bi so bo beba alope kope Roman father drone bi na nom 0247 919122 0247 919122 0552 668517 Alopa abedwafo atena se ye bedi nkomo Filippo edifri kwabren kasem. Good morning Nana. NDC government has no vision for Ghanaians youth. MPP will come. Greetings to my daughter Frimpong Mansuechan Felix and my mother, Auntie Mary of Jenisoso. Ade Filippo Bano didn't birthday ana. Okay. And also I will hot na main kind way so and free hot. Barbara, you so more than phone sound to no yana mean. Okay, Yababa. I don't pay. I will have what Nasi na Sita Seidu and na Odru Swamia. Communication jidamu gidi. So I'm a constituency on air communication officer at the National Democratic Congress NDC. Sasan and Naneje is a spokesperson MPP Transport Committee. Nana and so Atanase Anope. See that Anope marching. Now important to say o Mike na so green there.
Nyame ya Ade Akye ho den se Boris Abobano. Bi ekoso.
Ani ho den pa.
Se yon kwama ya ba betina ha ide. Aseda na de be manyame. Enyo bia na nya ne sa.
No kwase.
De be kan sa alhamdulillah because bida baby ayenye obi okwa baby okrampo ye manu ye force no se onya aduane krampo onje 1 spoon bi ansana omatimi apia ja no ye tima driver bahade a aseda kese na de be manyame.
All right, Adope Benji from Fences Seria. No one is intimidating anyone in this country. We are in democracy, so everyone has right to share his or her opinion. But it doesn't mean you can do anything above the law. If you didn't do anything wrong, how can someone attack you? If you do bad things, someone will attack you. No one is above the law. Hi to MC Atuman will be just south. Okum kom Benji Elsone dia banana jara pe matching.
Mejoso.
Na important to say
madam ahweye ye ho dem papa. Beji de se onso ho adene.
Oba dia dom ye ho ye pa. Ma ba to ni guso on.
Oh.
Akona ni ma fine.
MPP for that sumje for nko a. Nti bibia ededa na kwemo. Bia ededa na kwemo. O say to presidential no want to say anoma ba kura ho ati. Ti MPP before the obi enim ye. Enti say ye nuanom. Na mamichia yeti fo nso ene wona wajibre a o hwe. Wo kasa afidie. Say oba fie ha. Say first time meba efie ha ni. But if you had ye ho ba o de oba ye de first time
oni me wo fe di djuma
me no share no me nya penny so sida wenya position bi de
no nya wasem
they make up look di DC MC or so
na o MC o tumi a de ma obi ma na DC
ba mo nkrofo mo ne omo
masa ka wasem
Kawase Swameja demo.
Ejabianem.
Oh yes. Women swing was swamene a year friend saying MC pupo pa kase ba ko be pra ba ko na asemasa. Oh yes. Oh no de ba.
Me oboa.
Oh. It me video ni mama.
Entokwa bia ni ho.
Okay.
It's just a matter of misunderstanding and certain information be that has to be passed through the right channel. I'm pass nipa no if he say adena we no it's not the right thing into our channel the grievances towards the media and inviting media one municipal ho. So some of these things you can do your politics but the facts are there to guide all of us. One municipal she organized the women olidiomo and all the challenges are the MC to have an opportunity to address those challenges. Then they call forward. It is your wishful thinking. Say, I am the communication officer of the conference, and I'm the first. And now target me, I'm catching and say sometimes or target me. What I said here is what I told him. I missing no register in displeasure,
which is allowed.
So you might disagree with it or have your own resentment about certain things, but it doesn't mean that the nipano air cano mean say nothing of that sort happened.
I see. Yeah, can state my member now grow for no MC and Pamo. But I be almost MC, MC, the women's swing or can't tell me. I have the video.
So be
almost say
disagreement.
Almost say MC ne de inchichemu abaso ameko. Nti omo ma omo wo so ame nyina ndisi fo nyina say empamo MC no. Yes, I have the videos here. Bisa no so meboa. Yes, empamo MC no. Na woni made ewom. Say no MC is ne de omo ne omo kontokwa omo ne ndisi fo ne kontokwa pa. MC is of course just so and the whole regional women's organizer of fan maba we call to share mami so mami no so oza wonyem MC no okoche eye regional women's organizer na it you see and this na kasa bibia
all the way ozika okoche
bibia mati party no
yo yeah that's it democracy and free speech under siege in Ghana. Dr. Baumia, minority petition Mahama over Dumso cocoa prices, EPA crisis. Only 32% of Ghanaians salaried workers are able to save due to poor pay. New study Aba Abontino. So, Nana Mamisha CM free her wet. A year petitioner Dom Kumano Edia Aquacoma Ayabang.
Medawase na mechia otiefo no mechia the 2029 president of the republic yera Dr. Alhaji Mamudu Baumia mechia na pa obebibi owo na fe so mechia the 2029 vice president of the republic yera Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe Kapo mame enchia na pa obebi owo na me so me boss chairman of the no kwapia one with God more than majority. I'm Chia Chamakuka Power, baby beer.
Chamakuka, I will throw in my support and send a greetings to him. But the me and say, Ubi say, Yen Twa Bamano na Omrambe stop for Frank, the Dr. Frank Amakon from giving us that nice paintings. Or yen, or yeah. Near Coca, Obi na ba. Maybe I don't want to even glorify his name because unim, facts are sacrosanct. Unim. Tamankoka were held the fort of the Ashanti region.
And then your own castle. Your own castle.
Omuko opposition. This man call elections will lose here one set back that. Do you believe the machine once be? And also come my boss FM no bowra no or yen to be no better. That is the only time. But the constant checkups on me. Marvelous. And oko bia mini party mu but oko bia MPP NDC PNC CPP obi e bona baso or that quality no ye de leader obi aba sori akwotena bia aja region no wa timi a bring up the communication front wa bridge omo and make sure say certain niema bi ese be kwa ma omo na naje was son and I from the one ever be see and look at where he has put in him. Why now Wabuano? I'm gonna do that stage, you know. No by I will say, yen to about mobile to me come yen to about with me one made dear man near me time crap on his yen to about with me. Just say yen to about MOB channel bit me communicating. So probably so communicate contested casting. And I demonstrate the I say.
Well, I told you this postman. Hey, Baby Samro.
They were Jimmy Tamlin, you know. They were not a time, no, why met take a crap from. Senior, who share a year the minority, petition President Mahama over Doom Sonny a year cocoa prices near the idea. A year. You can clearly see say a buy way in opposition. Intina Ghana for or more expected the air cost because nay who say Orban obey something different. Because na Ghana for someone who was say President Mama Tinefie a year 8 years. It was sooner BB a day of fear. But sa na President Mahama would tiffy in Yanano, no fan of one Bana Ghana for no year.
No fun of one game.
Na adwene no afan na ya adwene bone. Yes, because ene offer cocoa aye prices here. Yen nyina ye wo krom ha. Emma enkrofo sopa na nado danko akufu ado ni yeraba umia ene MPP4 say ye wudifo ye tirimu odene adenti ni ye tirimu odene a wose koko 1 bag ye ton be 9,000 7,000 6,000 esama mo ka kire Ghana for no omo si ye tirimu odene pa MPP4 na ade ewo mu no ne say ye MPP4 ye bu akuafo fa so nti omom sika na yafa na dodanko akufu ado ni MPP4 yafa sika na edi iti yanto abama president Mahama ono de wo ba koko 1 bag no ye beto no eye a friend 6,000 7,000 ebi kura say 9,000 at force iti enei Ghana for nyagidie wo sabo chen mu eno mokoto ababu mu ye den e de ma president Mahama ya to abama president Mahama if you say koko a bag no ye ba betumu boom president Mahama nyakonya ko gina ba bia na wodi nkomo kire koko akuafo e ka kire Ghana fo nyina se one ne koko board fo one ne finance minister fo ne yi nyina kasa iti koko prices na ebeba no ebe gi obi ansa wo krom ha iti woni asase ayeden ko pe asase die die fi se o obe pager from 3,001 and another danko akufa do DJ ne straight to be 6,000 and 7,000 Nemo mi yeko share
was it not situated in a contest because the dynamics are not the same.
Dynamics
at that time omoka say
in 2025 no send you turn be $10,000 per one no 2025 na you that the same figure I didn't want to 2025 na that same figure na o see a turn world market na yamfa konkudu sa price no 2025 na ebi wo it yepo de yeti ho no ye fi say wo betum ni boom sana na ya danko dadadwe because wate opeja mu kakra be 400 bi ode be ka ho no ye koda sore ya ose matie free 3,600 akwakudu eye 2,500 ena Ghana koko akuafo say hey na nya wa na ukacha yen say a bag under your watch say world market o say hwani ni ho ye baba betum akwakudu 6,000 Ghana cedis eye president Mama wonu wani ti for ne kai itende eye den na wote eye koko obo ne so itende Ghana koko fo akuafo nyina ase afem enne koko no ne ye no kro enya kono because 3,600 and na no what he almost bear a year 1,001 a year Ghana cedis in free so aba be do 2,500 tene koko growing areas na and no nyinara omano dem
banana
na omu nyina omu sunsun omano
yes say yeah diligent with ourselves na ye floor price na is it the doing of any government say ke betimi atum amana brosa pricing compared to there be compared to our neighboring country to say Cote d'Ivoire. We know the current price.
But Cote d'Ivoire, when you say omutokoko no in grace.
Yeah.
Until the correct grade no muton say. Unlike Ghana, ye toni nyina bom no. Eti ye okofintam koko ho. Ene ye the normal koko e wo Cote d'Ivoire. It is a challenge no mo ka. E no be some say grace na e ye sign. So that say koko no ukoko dibuan omo wo ngrezo anyesa omo fiti ya na ya kati se Ghana de ye ka bibia bom ne ye de kono omo ni ingrates die wo kofintam koko wo ene wo this normal koko no so ye de e wo hono the prices no omo kasa asem na no mo de confuse mo
but sometimes you have to do an averaging analysis
now can no mo de confuse mo
so share the highest grade to the lowest grade you can do an average
and no highest grade na ye sen omonka
but you said as you rightly said you need grace
eti Ghana you need grace no enkonka njem say Cote d'Ivoire because Cote d'Ivoire so mo koko ni tu highest grade na koko papa no omo to ne sen ena de ye hu ne sen nye papa no omo to ne sen eno no mo ka no mo de be confuse wo Ghana so ta say ba Ghana ni na ono te eye kusa no obeye den afa ni 2 bags of cocoa akoton no Cote d'Ivoire Ghana ni no tinyame ni no obeye dey afa no 1 bag of cocoa akoton wo eye Cote d'Ivoire obeye da ko because wo se ne bo sha wo se no it is samre na wo she bo se no na wo nim e de ye sifa ton cocoa no wo krom ha na wo nim world market price wo krom ha
na wonim saa nneɛma no nyina but because of 2 million na wo penti woka kyerɛ mo sɛ 6,000 Ghana. You can quote your FOB, you can quote your one price. The cocoa farmer doesn't care. What they care about and they say, or then the sika cocoa, or then the cocoa shell. Near kind 3,000, 3,600, a good in some. But today, omodi cocoa no sanko crampa, almost saying yesika. And I've been my cocoa, I had the cocoa growing areas. And then I get in tokwa between a year or mom to cocoa no. Cocoa catching any cocoa farmers no. Because we be holding the cocoa bags na kwa kuguo. Be bosome miensa ni nsanka sika. Abanzi will release sika. Fa obekọ down there no we so musu. Obekọ down there no musu.
Na say
and then I am tokwa between the eyini. Ah, me say what cocoa growing areas na. Because my minority no e ko ni nyina no. Me wo one video bi wa ha say. Ono oye cocoa catch ni. And now we must mock out to me nephew. Into me nephew. Because defia, ya be banso. Ya ba be kasi ye jikuku. But today, abani say oh me disika abani ade. And ubenya enuanu man this before. No ma be go to FOB when ma FOB price, no ma be go to world market. Monka sa asam na nchire keji fo no. Because the cocoa farmer no do hia ne say. Bosha wo share no, wo de be man. Because what's uncle we share cocoa for name what do now upa now ahanum never say high cocoa farm. Now John Mahama Kata will say this cocoa farm me to abura oh now the poly tank is so I want to abaman. Now my son to cocoa 1 bag 6,000 want to abaman. What's how much show no it's a name no say uko the cocoa growing areas. Now you the ballot paper go see one a ballot box go see one say yen twaba they will vote against this and this government. Because what are that? What are the one big time? Because and I make you cry yakono. And now farm and so area ho and a bekwa area hona and the brain chomukoko nugu. Because any can be any. Because answer na ubeye sa koko even a bag answer na ubenya bag na brawa brewo koko nasan and yasam ketwa. It is high any anu die. And sansumon shiwo da. And crampan chawo mani soda. Omo nim de we sifa bato de kra. It's your mono metna air condition mu any radio so any omo aka kire wo say 2,500 a chain 3,000.
Banana aside say nyina you sympathize with yen family omo ye cocoa. But facing reality no. Looking at said you also person be go to FOB price but this is a reality. Akowa ban betimi aye pricing more than the current price.
You for free 475 Ghana as at 2017. And you pay mu straight to 31 Ghana at 3,001.
What was the situation?
And I'm say you for free ho. The Ghana ni no hwe unyante Ghana phone come on at you. You can quote your FOB and what have you? You can quote them. But the Ghana for can say bosha a free politicians ne no buy no. Say you the 2 million man say Kim every cocoa farm obetu abura ho. Now, 2 abura obo no ho or the polytank basis so. Now 1 bag of cocoa what on 6,500 irrespective of a world market price.
Sanu kai.
Now one day this for no. What shall almost share with Chrome say no. Where me say enu no munya to me no. Because and throw. And they had the 2 million ama wo mu. O say no mu de mo ye. No masmo tiku na akwagina eye farm kwa kachire wo mu say 2,500 eye chain eye 3,600 adentia emo bo aba fom na kokofo de yen yesika na yeji aye de tomo na ye de ama ye yerenom. Can you imagine? She atem the dia wodi kokofo and talk about them so. And they minim say mo de plant na ye ejuma.
Oh, there.
Move plant na ye ejuma.
For now, they say okay. Stabilize.
Okay, you say mo de enkane na ye ejuma dia and emonya light wa ha say. But this very week, radio bia ni TV bia makosu bia no omo use plant na ye ejuma. This very week, radio bia makosu bia no omo use
aside backups na aba na
because don't son abo so on misaba e bit me da sum 3 days neba e bit me da sum 3 days and me no kase uko baby bebre anka na ne du ba mo ka che yen se akoso mu no obi akohye no ana mebo omo say akoso mu no bi akoshi no iti omo ye ankane ane beba omo ye no still say ankane ane
but I'm proud to that before akosombo incident and they told us there are certain transformers also they have to change them.
Hey Ghana they be transformers transformer dey da obenya no wo ho that transformer obenya no hey dum so no ba na aba ni tumi ye ho hwe so what I say omo meka no kore ne nkire no kore bi wo ho mo person meka kire you because enkane na edundun no de ye me ya ne say unim say yegusu tua eye ebo omo de gie ne nyina omo yegusu tua because me no ka say omo buy from 2025 ebepem ni almost 28% increment of electricity any yetua sika yetua ma wo mu no na de etwa nso mu kura say omo san so de levy asameto ye so dum so levy dum so na ye eba no koso no ye san tua ho eyeto on fuel this is the country we live in but ye benya ne nkrofo Ghana for complain say ye ho kire ye enkane an edum no ma small mo boys no so mun di Ghana mabunu atem mun ni Ghana fo atem na asofo no mu bi e de ho agim no mu di atem adan ya mo se akọ complain say ye nkane a edum
all right
mo se akọ complain but na me no ka say me for 30 seconds me no ka say o fa asafo a areho sempa o ene coast of no o mu su papa me hu abayo bi my friend say delight fruit o say the end
yeah
hey wa boka a chinchim eye fruit bi egu eye container mu ton ene ye dum kan ya sei abayo ni nyina ne twetre ye koka na nkrofo yi ediat all because of say ye Ghana for the 2 years omonsa but omonti ase say enchenche wo we e wona afi.
Well, I say that. So on this same minority issues, petition on things that we believe as promised.
Before I because on my party for my Gibraltar programming. Na yencha Honorable Ishama Lasan Bonsu, the incoming regional chairman of our party. Baby Obi Amichiano. Juma. And no GDS say Mano Aquiniano to serve as the regional chairman of this party in this regional with the experience or emanating from the branch to that level now we're doing it's a party to be doing home for so he's someone who understands the party and understands the problems of the people and say I was saying na I support the course no na otimi ba beja be nwa no na obeye regional chairman e ma party no na mi sancha honorable Said Oma dodo na friend chairman Shaba on so ba as the next regional organizer am a party no in 2024 on the current regional minister campaign team no jinam den wherever be akoy bi on na yeden and you could see the kind of work that he put in to make sure say the NDC comes to power. I think say Yamana Kenya na Bob Jumaden I'm a party no. Mina Nanaji will never cease to amaze me. And say your friend be incofobi busybodies. That is what the MPP minority is turning out to be. Sisiano they don't have any message of hope, any message via or mobile culture Ghana for. So they are only playing the 1624 type of politics that is not relevant today. Kuku politics, we almost started the boy Dumia dying. I was watching, I was listening to the line of questions that you were giving to him. He said, and Nana J is telling us say Oko Cote d'Ivoire, which once upon a time and a year or more reference based. Or say a Oko a grade. That time no man can't say or no so a grade. But they were using that one as a reference point. And even with the Cote d'Ivoire now or Ubisa now is citing as an example. Cote d'Ivoire the highest grade no is selling for 1,200 CFA. or converting into cedis is not even up to the Toma or Ghana for of the highest grade. No, it's going for 1,200 CFA. Or convert here, dear no crumple boy, a year chain or more dear. And Unzo Bisano, a very fantastic question, but Nana J was trying to play smart, and as usual of him, meaning says I no be. Na or Casse, Unze or say, my emfa FOB, Assembia and Maho, the cocoa farmer no, and Nimsa FOB no. The cocoa farmer no, one sorry, Procopena, this scare man. This cocoa issue, pricing, calculated on two or three things: exchange rates, foreign price na determine no. Inti no say if the exchange rate stable, what is say na stable, na 11 cedis now. Na the turn of German so $3,000 yeah. You multiply by that one by the exchange rate na mine so. And some a percentage also the amount what calculated the idea amount. A bank also be almost 60%. John Dramani Mama in our promise in our 2024 manifesto, I can say almost 60% of the FOB price. Which indeed we have delivered on that promise. But just the fact that prices no exchange rate Satan nana more so now exchange rate 15 cedis. And nana world market price $9,000. So $9,000 no and ne so price no what the back $4,000. So you cannot compare $9,000 in the world market as at moment time to $4,000 and ne. Isn't it a fact to say prices at the world market are dipping? Isn't it a fact? Yes. Yeah. Isn't it a fact are dropping? So where from this kind of voodoo analysis, trying to use that one to play on the emotional keyboards of the cocoa farmers? And one fantastic thing about this whole cocoa debate is that the cocoa farmer is more enlightened. The cocoa farmer of 2016 is not the cocoa farmer of 2025, 2026.
I didn't answer, sir.
The assistant says, he say, Omoma Bibre Marco School, Bibre Swear enlightened. And they know, say, prices at the world market. Either Eswati. And what government is giving them based on the promise of Maya in terms of percentage. Government promised 60%, but rather government is rather giving them 80% because of the drop in prices. Government, which has dropped as at the time, copper yes, 80%. Now the price was $4,000, and then I dropped here by somewhere 3,200. But government is still giving them 80% of the initial promise now. Instead of saying mama buying, but because of petty politicking, any propaganda, pedestrian propaganda, you are trying to play on the emotional keyboards of cocoa farmers. And say they say mo buy, dear Ben, mo buy mo yema. Rather, you subjected them to abject poverty. As at the time, I we are saying $9,000. Instead, say mo be more 60%. At time that cocoa farmer will be earning somewhere around 6,000 to 7,000. That was what we promised. You catch it almost say a year ena time $9,000. Okay, certain price now be certain by 60%. But what we were giving them was a rip-off. Something below 40%. Until sometimes it's not everything that you think say the politics are blindfold. The Ghanaians we cannot be blindfolded by your lies. Satrono the cocoa politics no. Mudi abo adumia dan anyeye. Say mo petition akoma president. Me bisa mo a very simple question. Minia Jima Baba, is it not a fact? Say now me know say cocoa prices from $9,000 in their time. I drop your baby do $3,500 to $3,200. Isn't it a fact? Isn't it a fact to say cocoa price no? You're calculated based on the exchange rate. Isn't it a fact say CD na I stable for 11 cedis to $1 from 15 cedis or more time. to 11 cities. So what is preventing them from facing the reality?
Reality need be no can say. You also promise other incentives. And also what has happened?
Mebaho. Or see a promise say other incentives like how say boreholes and on chronoba.
And the drew baby cram some mobile pension and all that.
Now I say pension ne so ya rule ya start a rule is any money out. And oko cocoa growing areas are unim say last month or last week or so 2 weeks ago omo polling station with executives eko smuggle cocoa free Côte d'Ivoire eba ma ya che omo as see omo gina mrano.
That was allegation.
It's not an allegation. They were arrested. Listen,
original minister.
Regional minister. The regional minister was sued by another because the regional minister made a very categorical statement. Say, "Omo ayachi omo no, eya no dompre ene eden edi omo yes aniamano." And a regional minister say you ombe meeting in court. Let's leave that matter to the court. Yeah. But the fact of the matter, and said those people who were arrested, no, they were smuggling cocoa beans from Côte d'Ivoire to Ghana. And the fact, they say they were MPP polling station executives, which they have never come out to deny that. And the fact, they say omujina marano sisia, marani omudi. Why am I boy for? Just say be yamagana for the and say na yanka samuna mo the alternatives. It doesn't happen so. Some of these things sometimes more realistic kakra. Now most Ghanaians no, they are very sophisticated. Okay. And like even my 10-year-old child can Google and read certain things. Oh, we are say news I we are say. How much more paying for? No matter kujina cocoa farm cocoa na say. Neka ebisa na who said the last time ebisa almost say so. And to say aka mpese based on the world market price and Ghana government in say or the government enko borrow almost the government enko bobo sia na yem fambe mo freebies no money. Look at this logic. Yem ko bobo sia entua for something that they have not produced to us. No mun could say the be bet must satisfy or more.
Something they have not produced.
Because what produce beans no, and world market beans no so no price no two determinant factors: exchange rate and world market. World market price about 4,000. As at the time I then peg price no, and exchange rate 11 cedis. So 11 cedis multiplied by 4,000 no, and a government. It calculated 60% of size Canada. And I got calculated 60% who say it will come somewhere by 1,500. And no a behamo kese. And I got to say 80%. Said the bit mania 2,000 plus. That is the reality. That is the stark reality. So whatever they are whatever government whatever government is giving them now is whatever they have. That is what they have produced. Mm-hmm. So if you want government to go out from his own way. Now on konko sika nye calculation na bro world market prices so is government not giving them what they haven't produced? Sometimes some of these logic you don't understand them. Oh, mubetimi listen. Mubetimi is sentimental politicking no. But the reality is the Ghanaians are very discerning. Say cocoa kuafo no say omunim say government doesn't borrow money to give them, but government always be and government be more musika based on the world market price and exchange rate na wo no. So what has changed? Edebe na asesan just tell us what can you do different minyan way minyan ba edum so de minyan ka dum so de na minia udim. The MPP and its surrogate, Nana J and Crawford, sometimes they must credit Ghanaians with a little bit of wisdom and intelligence. Just last week, the energy minister was in this region. Yeah. Obabima breakdown of a Nema air coso. Transformers are changing to bring high performance transformers. Said they bear load, trip no ebetimi ayeden ebetimi ajai ya mat timeline any timetable of where what places ye be change of transformers. Isn't it a fact? Isn't it a fact say menu mienu wa ha e na akosombo substation I work for Dua ejatom 6 units nyina within a week we were able to work on it with Ghanaian engineers, brought all of them onto the stream. We are not having any generational problem. The only thing we are having are changes of obsolete cables. Any what's it? Yes, son. Say the baby mania constant and stable supply of electricity.
But people are saying, people are saying, even the timetable, they buy, or follow.
No, dear, it is another conversation that
it have a correlated say. If indeed is the replacement of these transformers, then we have timeline, as you said, which can be followed. And they say, "Ne, you say, oh yeah, do be doom her." Then people.
I don't know a conversation. I mean, but let's speak to the fact. The fact is that there is nothing like doom. So the fact is that there is something your friend maintenance routine maintenance changing of cables. Now last Rich go there right now. Yeah, the transformer it's in the first na you use the first na you use no. Say there 10 times that transformer buy ye changing. Do you think say ye changes that transformers now light no bit hour on for that enclave ni na whilst they are changing the transformer? No, the lights has to go off for the transformer to be fixed. You cannot have enjoyment without going through struggles. So whatever we are going through now, we are updating Ghanaians as to what step Ayakwa could do.
The maintenance,
we don't have anything. We don't have anything like generational problem.
Okay.
We don't have generational problem. We have it. Yeah, resolve it. So what we have currently now, some of these transformers, and also MP back up catcher say acquire transformers no. Almost say 2,700, and they ended up only installing 300 of them. Because omu say sa issue we so can say change transformers now. Definitely the people will have to go through certain difficulties, and because of say omu person say sa difficulties no ebe affect omu 2024 elections, they abandon it.
Okay.
So we are fixing the mess that they created, the mess that they left behind. So Ghanaians know the difference between
the next. Mo unim here. Asemi okan transformer ye change no. Monfa John Jinapo ono ane no asem in 2024. Me wo ha say me forward man na mo bo mo show no. Mo mo TV ne so. Osi wo sisa transformer eno kosi dum so. John Jinapo in 2024. And then what better say transformer na mo sisa no and na kosi dum so. See that some na person ka kire yen. Because minister na no hoyi I friend John Jinapo yi. Ono in 2023-2024. Catch the whole Ghana. Say MPP for say transformer and you no correct. Because any engineer nim say o sisa transformer and kosi dum so. In the another na kosi we. Obi to me that sumu for 3 good days. Usi dum so ni ho. I'm not surprised say NDC communicators no. O metna radio so ni TV so no mu didi Ghana for atem. I'm not surprised. Oko kanso ye benya nkrofo mama say be catch wo say what do you need to say unka na edum. This is the people omo yasmo mo radio so. John Jinapo sam no. John opening
say me catch obi say na adwene nya adwuma.
It's on first statement.
It's on first statement.
This is the kind of people.
So only Nanaje
if you condemn
listen Nanaje one you are my kid brother. Nanaje West be I've given you the chance.
But the issue is
Matthias
but that's it. I said, this topic, on democracy and free speech. Dr. Bawumia say is under siege. Adaina Zita bully people. You are bullying people because of speech that they are offering, and then democracy among person be practicing. According to Dr. Bawumia, it's under siege.
Is democracy under siege in Ghana?
Okay, people say.
Let me be a question. Maybe a rhetorical question. Is democracy under siege? Is democracy under siege? Was democracy under siege under MPP when they arrested and jailed Omane Ohene Boama? Was democracy under siege? The Satana vice president, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, vice president. Now Indiana democracy wasn't under siege. Captain Smart almost 39 times. And then democracy wasn't under siege. Where was it? Meba. And no, then Rambo style. Mino Krumwa, UGMC. The president was there, and will be raising placard, said operationalize it. That guy was arrested and detained for weeks, and then democracy wasn't under siege. Some of these things is very hypocritical. Me person who read Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia statement, and I'm sure baby I was a care or end or what. Oni kwa kwa pese ko bodini. What is the crime of Abronye? Abronye a government nation. As a leader of your a big political party like the MPP, there are certain tangential issues you don't veer into. So Abronye sat on his show, insulted and attacked a judge. Is Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia telling us say the Abronye ye no ye?
No, but they're crutch.
No. He shouldn't. Meba. How come there? Sometimes Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the handlers, are not being helpful to him. There are certain commentary as a statement. Oh man, you have to be guided. What are you guided? Abronye attacked a certain judge. The whole judiciary, who attacked a judge, you attacked the judiciary, called him names, and even threatened him. Yachina, what does it got to do?
Threaten him.
Threat now, Kai, and they say, or say, if they comes to office, that judge,
Article 148, and is that a threat?
It's a threat to even sit on a show and call a judge or a political judge. How dare you? Is it not the same Abronye who sat on his show and insulted John Dramani Mama and called him a drunkard and called him saying what did Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say? And I said, the movies are more special and more human. Diesel nenam a special
so payback time.
It's not a payback time, but sometimes as a leader, you have to be very cautious of certain statements I will make. In Kaudi and they were a sando the answer finito. But to extend it to Abronye government national. Maybe some question. Obi o habia, obi o tie me bia on answer me. Abronye government national and I say the judiciary and any deal. So is Bawumia trying to tell us or approve on the words and the statement Abronye made against that judge? The whole thing, the best thing Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia should have done was to first of all caution him and tell him that there are certain boundaries, any parameters you don't go across. Esando. Then I said to him, is it the only person or my muha? I don't support it. But Mami Misao was yet your my muha in 2024. And wow, colleague journalist or Hinababuama, Echo Cassim Etia, the judiciary. Yes, sentencing to prison sentence for 3 weeks.
Say.
And the democracy wasn't under siege.
God love
Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia should spare.
God love a dude down kwa. Hey. Mebao Nana, watching you live from Konfanochi Teaching Hospital Administration. And then Eric K. Bwadi, Patriotic Voice, Eric Kwakubwadi says, the NDC government doesn't care for the citizens of this country. President Mahama 24-hour economy now 24-hour 10 to 24-hour doomsort. Now the country is in crisis because of doomsort. Ghanaians are quiet, waiting for 2028 to vote NDC out. My regards to Dr. Baumia, Green Kessia, John Bwadu, Honorable Howard Comson, Honorable Dr. Fred Chey Asamoah. Okay, my baby read the other ones. Nanaje.
And sita wa bemunti obenya da Ade Akye Abia ye ne de a kire Dr. Baumia. Na yen fort NDC for na kasa yen omo fort. Omo se etu na ma omo gire. So tia se because enei u to me nti wo ye ne wo pe. Andana na do danko akufuado. Ye hu sa ne ma we bio. Obi ko complain se dum so aba me akwa akwache no. Obi ko kasa president mama o promise Ghana for say o be sign LGBTQ na yakwa akwache no. Dr. Baumia ka ho asemwa. Ene wa betena ha keka de ye de kire Dr. Baumia. Ba monti asese Ghana for mama 4 years. Not 40 years. Ghana for mama 4 years, not 4,000 years. Ghana for mama 4 years. It monti asese ene and that's on 4 years ni biomo. Aya no mo refi omo say 4 years ni biomo. Aya no mo refi omo. But Ghana for ye ko mo mo hwe mo ni nyina doesn't mean say de mo ye na Ghana for ni so. But the day to me besesa no, wo be ye mo bo krom ase. E da Ghana for be pamo mo firi akonya we so no, mo be ye mo bo krom ha. En mo nti ase. Say de ene ekoso ni nyina no. In 2029 to me sesane be DMPP wa. Mo nti ase say the elephants yen ye remfi asem da. Enene more young appointees are more harmony agia, more bossy, more fire no. Monti asese, mona mumpenny for no or more margin. Because the 2 minutes is son, the net the more DMP before no be air feminine. One shall be done through room.
Ah,
yes,
I know.
Me say omonti asese 2 minutes is son, the net omode ye MPP for omode MPP for no omonti asese 2 minutes is son room. Ah. The very day I'm about from Electoral Commission, Obeka say, by the power vested in me, declare Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia as president of Ghana. Muse Monfa Munkoma police. Because we will deal with you according to your words. Me say, you better deal with them according to Omunyuma. According to Numa,
are we in a banana republic? Is
that Banana Republic? It's and net the Ecosia and net Obia Ecase Enyeno Omunyai. Because and I don't know because criticize who in opposition. Malik Basintelli or to me for Dr. Baumia the picture at the pork shen in some at in such in some a posty yetro haram and no but what is a cocheno. But today, Mudia, Obi Katam said do so kaba, yes, Yakwakocheno. Miss Munya ready. It's it as a Mako be in some and I yinia. No much young people for you because Muya Dea, Yabeka.
It will take them 12 years.
Thank you. Gentlemen, thank you. 0548 931 931 0551 931 931. Okay. What value would targeting Abronya and MPP members bring to Ghana's economy rather than delivering on their major campaign promise? The NDC is occupied with arresting opposition members. We told Ghanaians that JDM and the NDC we knew in 2016 remained the same, but they didn't listen. My regards to Dr. Bobby Honorable Davis and Kansam Bwadu and Asanteman Koka Wefri teacher constitution. I want to say, so hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, Saudi baby Afrifi.
Wadawoma. Edini Guswaye Junior Baumia. Manso Antoko de Sekonkwa, the chairman Usumensa, still maintain chairman. Namencha Asanteman na Kuka. Aha, Eddie and Tiba. Yenimani say, if a trouble you Chamadino Kwapia, or Yashanti Regina chairman. I na you were DKM Daniel Kokumen also Ababe regional organizer. Now, Monday, lawyer position to you pound, so you need to be deputy secretary. Nana je nakupon we shop oduma wo bonti na yewa ba omia wode waka committee a omo beka tafa rules no nakupon shop na de change na ne say see te Ghana ha see na Malik Basintari say na medi e kan ma ko ho e ka che Ghana for say yewa ba omia repreku no monta eno number 2 no power pass bi ti ache no we me say ko see say when you say mo yamba chia ko mbe ubachia chie nyina ye ne yekasa nyina college yekasa nyina mo chia chie nyina mo chie na town da so o say we two for can be we say can say akunya no obi ani obi ma atranso achi what you say debi no
say thank you remember no quite unfortunate pa Brandy Walker say you cannot do fuku turn on AJ. All right. Birthdays, you know. I don't know what you're about. Hello, Bifala, sir. I'm my birthdays. Hello, good morning. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, open you didn't be free.
That's a famous. That's a few more punching.
Good. Yenti are no pay.
We can't say young pong more dropa, boy. No, start the day, Chimopa. That's a kind of see, Muhammad Pan, I say. What can you see every show? Let's see if you any show, a many castle. If I say Ghana, saying nothing, but what you see is so point, you're going very woman. And woman, and this castle. But the meaning you say, oh, for anchor, careful, you know. You get that to me. And this is the Ghana has it.
May I say thank you, Barbara. Mama, my birthdays na doso. You yana very fast. Okay, happy birthday to Nelson. Nelson, aide to the former member of Parliament, Doma East. Happy birthday, Nelson. We're a double portion blessing. Yeah, I guess say Yankopon say, "O many shall not domno emun kamo so nenya kese." Happy birthday. Enjoy your day, bro. Happy birthday to Nana Benado. Adodi Ekufu Ado. Wow, apada idea de. Nana Abena Ado. Akufu Ado. Frederick Ba. Oh, Mr. Dan Kwabano. Oh, beautiful. Any idea. Happy birthday, beautiful. Oh, Papa Do. Na abusuafo nyina do. Kaina channel so say, oh yeah, special. Oh yeah, shonko. Oh, Papa say, a blissful birthday to you, Nana. Nyamin Shao, aging grace and greatness. Remember the entire family and loves you so much. From your father, Frank Frederick Dankwa, aka Kwame, agenda of Old Tafo. And happy birthday, baby girl. And happy birthday to Elisa Dufie O Nkrumah. Elisa is 2 years today. And Elisa, we ask for God's blessings, more grace to your elbows. And may God Almighty bless your new age from your dad, Mr. Isaac Ofori, and the family in Otafo. And Elisa, o papa do, ebusian for the do, wati. I mean, shall no mama penny kesiye. Move. Happy birthday, Elson Koma Bro Bismarck, at the United States. Bro Bismarck, today happens to be your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Have a very wonderful time. Have a blast. Yame emu eniso adi hunu nyina embrem. Wadofo edo. Enti sharon so say wan kasa no oh yes special. Enti na yo wawodey. Happy birthday to you. And happy birthday to Eva. Eva, today is your birthday. Eva at Barakesi. We're free Lizzie say, or wish you a very special happy birthday. Enjoy this a wonderful season and stay blessed. Koya say Rabia. Okay, happy birthday to Audrey Boabing. Audrey Boabing, today is your birthday. Audrey Boabing at Asafuleba. I wish you an awesome first birthday on earth from your mom. Oh mama saying I mean show nini beye penkese pa. Oh yeah special. Oh da mama akoma so. Share Audrey Union Park. Happy birthday to you. And happy birthday in son comma DJ Mac. DJ Mac Joe from DJ Timer. Also my happy birthday. Kaination also so jina wachi tampe. Oh yeah special. DJ Mac nie happy birthday. And happy birthday to Felix Echia Frimpong Manson. Felix Echia Frimpong Manson, Kwadaso Methodist Community School. Way free Papa Filippo at Kwabre Kasem. Papa Filippo, a guy say. Also, my happy birthday. Happy birthday to Ruben Okay Fixin. From your auntie, Efia Eje Wakodie. So, Ruben, today is your birthday, beautiful son. Happy birthday to you. Your auntie loves you so much. Enjoy this day. Next. Happy birthday to Yasantiwa, Oba Yasantiwa at Kumasi. We love you so much from Abake and Margina and all your siblings. They say you are unique and special in your own way. Happy birthday to you. And happy birthday to Adiza Ahmed. Wishing you more blessings and favor. Locate you always. Love you so much from sister Imrut. Imarut Collections inside Tadi. Imarut so my happy birthday Adiza. Allah enyo kese na unshaw. And a glorious birthday to Joyce Edukumwa Bonsu. Oya midwife our SDA hospital kwada so from all the maternity unit for nyina say oma awoda pama kwatenten. Happy birthday Auntie Joyce. Enjoy this beautiful moment knowing that you are being loved by all your colleagues at the maternity department or unit. Happy birthday to Francine. Hey, Francine. Happy birthday to Francine of Mana International School, Bremen UGC, from your mom, Ivana of Bremen. So we are more special day. Oh, mommy, a guy. Now one can say a guy. And happy birthday, Francine. You're saying you are special. Your mommy loves you so much. Enjoy this day. Happy birthday, young champ. On that note, thank you so much, gentlemen. Nana Ene Sita. Hey, Brado pass mama. Ya from Nana Kwame Nkwantabisa. Amanfo nyina Nkwantabisa ni anopa nyame hram no nyam kase sports for tenase na omuso asom.
Sompa FM